This channel is documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube. And speaking of making money, in case you don't know, I have multiple YouTube channels. That being said, I have one channel that's fully monetized, meaning when I upload a video, I immediately make money from it, but there's no content on it. And I want to see if you have any ideas of what I should do with it, because I realize I haven't done this before. This channel is all about transparency, making money, and more. And like I said, I have multiple YouTube channels. Technically, I have 3/4. My main one, as you can see here, is Fachero. This is my music and vlogs. I've showed you it before, as this is also where I post a lot of my YouTube shorts. So if I go down to here, I have my vlogs, health and fitness stuff, I have gaming videos, of course, my music, and a lot more. My second channel is this one. Right now being called Buck Living. I have been thinking about changing this channel's name. So keep that in mind that this now it might be outdated depending on when you watch this video. I like the name Buck Living, but something about it still doesn't fully ring true to I think what this channel is about. So I have a few ideas. That's something for a future video. But anyway, most of you know this channel is all about making money. You know how much money I've made so far, making money with AI music, making money with YouTube, making money with Facebook Reels, and a lot more. My third channel is Zigzag Production Studio. This is all about making music, releasing music, music production, music distribution, music marketing, basically stuff for musicians. I talk a lot about AI music and what's happening, talk about DistroKid and releasing music in terms of the nitty gritties, making songs live on camera, and a lot more. These are my 3 main channels, but then I have one more. Right now, the tentative title is Zigzag Meow Book. The banner is You Lost the Game. So like to any millennials out there, you lost the game. And when I go to the analytics, nothing. When I go, let's say, deeper to YouTube Studio, nothing. Now you can see here, I made 7 cents, put that in quotation marks because this is from random videos I uploaded. But here's the weird thing. This is a fully monetized channel. And I've thought about, well, what should I do with it? And honestly, this video is meant to be very just kind of like completely open-ended, because in case you're curious, like, wait a minute, why do you have 4 channels? Technically 3, I guess. Why is this channel monetized? What was it before? Well, back in the day, this channel, Fachero, used to be only vlogs. YouTube wasn't the best at how to combine vlogs or videos and music. Now it's significantly better. You can see here, I'm a verified artist on YouTube. Basically, it's like, instead of a note check mark as being a verified person on YouTube, as an artist, you get a cool little like note, like a music note, right? So this channel actually used to be only my music. That's how it got monetized. It was only my music. So now, very slowly but surely, it's taking me a while. If I go to the content, you can see I have all my songs here, but they're all privated. So what I'm slowly doing is grabbing the song, downloading it, deleting it off this channel, and then re-uploading it here. But I still think to myself, if I go to earn, I'm fully monetized. I'm in the YouTube Partner Program. And as most of you know, starting in February of 2027, there's gonna be a lot more stricter rules about joining the YouTube Partner Program, like the 8,000 public watch hours to be able to be eligible, and also staying in it. And as you can see here, I pretty much have no content that's public. I've uploaded a few shorts here and there, a few videos as fun testing, but really nothing. Now, I have a few ideas, to be honest. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear kind of some interesting feedback. Part of me says, you know what? Once I upload all the videos here, basically once I take all my music, download it, delete it, and upload it on my main channel, maybe just delete the channel. That way I only have 3. Fachero, Buck Living, which again is a tentative title, and Zigzag Production Studio. Just these 3. Focus on 3. Don't spread myself too thin. Another part of me says, though, getting monetized on YouTube there's a lot to it. And any video that I upload right now, if I uploaded a video, like say on this channel, which again, the tentative title is Zigzag Meow Book, as kind of a stupid, funny title. I just say, yeah, as the description, right? Part of me says, well, if I upload a video of like this coffee cup, and the video is just this coffee cup for an hour. So it's not a picture, it's a video, but it's just a static thing, a shot of just this coffee cup. Or let's say I just sit here and sip coffee for 10 minutes, it's gonna make me money, right? So another part of me says, why let it go to waste? It's an already monetized channel. I really don't have to do any extra work. The second anything I upload, it gets monetized. Now, 2 questions for you. And again, be honest in the comments. I'd love to hear this. 1, should I keep it or not? Should I just focus on 3 channels? Or should I maybe say, hey, this is a low-key fourth channel because it's already monetized. Why not, right? So let me do the thing in the comments. The second thing is then, okay, if I were to keep it, right? So again, even after I take all these songs, put them on my main channel and everything, what should the niche be about? Now, here are my ideas. Let me show you this here. I actually wrote this in my notes because this sensor is zigzag meow book. I have horrible handwriting, by the way. These are a few of the ideas I had. One is B-roll. So I do a lot of vlogs, as I've said to you before. And when it comes to a lot of vlogs, as you can imagine, a lot of it is like getting tons of footage and then shrinking it down. This is part of editing. We all know this. Like if I go to Vachero, take even a recent vlog of, let's say, Shambhala, where is it? Here, big music festival in Canada, came out to be 12 minutes. But some of it's me talking. So the truth is, I probably have about 8 to 9 minutes of Shambhala footage. That's from an hour and 2 minutes that I took when I was there. So I was thinking, what if I just took all that B-roll footage, literally all of it, just threw it on here, being like, hey, like this is my B-roll channel. It's gonna make me money no matter what. So what if everything I upload is just all the footage that I didn't use? Then I'm like, hey, here's kind of a B-roll of my main or polished vlog. Let me say it like that on my main channel. Another one is stupid tutorials / memes. So like I was thinking about kind of doing funny videos. Like I've seen these kind of go viral sometimes where it's like how to press the letter A on a keyboard. But I kind of make it kind of stupid where it's like, so first you do that, like have all these kind of things. And I'm like, and then you press A. So I thought about doing kind of like stupid tutorials, like how to, I like if you do funny things, like how to lift up a coffee cup with your right hand, but not your left hand. So kind of funny things like that sometimes do kind of go viral. Another one is behind the scenes. So I thought maybe about any single time I do a video or something specific, I could do like a behind the scenes look of how I did it. I feel like that might appeal more to this channel though, than a whole separate channel in its entirety. Because I have had some people be like, hey Mark, can you actually do behind the scenes video of how you make YouTube videos? Like almost have like a meta shot of how like you kind of do all this kind of stuff, right? So I feel like that would appeal more to this channel. Next one, AI music. So I have done videos on this channel about making money with AI music. Like I mentioned, I have multiple AI artists. Part of me says, well, this already what started or is a music channel, or that's what it was. What if I just upload every day? I upload one song that was made by one of my AI artists. Because there's a lot of channels on YouTube, a bajillion of them that just upload music. Maybe I could do the same, right? And also it'd be pretty low effort because I already made the songs. They're already monetized in terms of they're already released and all that kind of stuff. So I could just literally just take the album artwork, put the song in, create a video out of it, and then upload it here. And hey, maybe it might not make that much money because I mentioned this before in some videos, but I don't know if I have. The RPM, or the average amount you make from a song or music on YouTube is very low. You're talking about anywhere between, I'd say, $1 to $2-ish, maybe $3. So you have to get a lot of views just to make it worth it. But I'm like, hey, it's passive income anyway. It's very low effort. And again, this channel's already monetized. So that's one idea I had. Next one is relaxing stuff for a long format. This might get me demonetized because remember with YouTube, even if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, if you're uploading cookie cutter content, they might take it down. But I could be like, hey, every day I upload a 20-minute video of the sunset. Or I do a video about like, you've probably seen this like a 10-hour long fireplace on YouTube that has millions of views or whatever. So I thought about doing stuff like that where it's not royalty-free video that I find online, but I film it myself, but kind of have it be long format relaxing stuff or something like that, right? Another one is watch stuff, kind of like a joking thing here, kind of some of the memes where like, say I'm like, hey, like watch this paint dry for 40 minutes. But then at the end of the video, say, oh shoot, this paint was already dry. Sorry, it's that one. And then the video ends. So kind of stupid stuff like that, like, typical YouTube-y, goofy kind of stuff. Next one is counting. This is kind of a stupid idea. I was like, what if every video is literally me just being like 1? And then the next video is 1, 2. So think of something like Mr. Beast, how he counted to like, 100,000 in one sitting, that every video I just count up and up. And that's the whole point of the channel. Is every video I count to like the next number. So there are some points I'll count from 1 to 100, right? So it's not just me saying the number, me counting up to it. Then the next day count to 101, right? So kind of stupid, but you never know. Like you actually never know. Also, you may notice, I will say this too, a lot of this is low effort. And I'll be honest about that, where, having 3 YouTube channels, like I've shown you, and I make electronic music, I'm a musician, and I post about a couple TikTok videos every day, and I take those and put them on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. So I make a lot of content. I make a lot of stuff, and I still work out heavily. I do parkour and free running and calisthenics. I'm constantly traveling. So like I have a lot going on. That's why you may notice for this fourth channel, put that quotation marks. I don't know what's going to happen with it. I'm like, I want it to be low effort. So that way I don't feel an extra pressure to be like, oh shoot, I didn't post something on Zigzag Meow Book or whatever I'm going to call this channel, right? Next is walking vids. You've probably seen this a lot on YouTube. They can actually do pretty well where someone will take like a gimbal. I have like a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I actually did an unboxing and review of it on this channel. And let's say go to Hollywood, let's say here in Los Angeles, and I walk for 40 minutes. And I say, hey, walking tour in 4K, walk with Fame Hollywood. There's actually a lot of people doing those and they do pretty well. And even for me, I will say this can sound weird. I've actually gotten more into walking. That sounds kind of odd, but I think it's a good way to get some cardio in. And I was like, hey, you know what? Why not kill two birds with one stone? Every time I go for a walk, I film it. That way, I'm going for my walk, which I want to do anyway. It's good for you, blah, blah, blah. But also, I get a video out of it. And then I thought of another idea. So it's the same thing as a walking video, but journal dump style. So the first walking vid would be me just walking, but I'm not talking. So it's almost like a POV as if you're walking, like say, in a given area. Probably do it here in LA. This one is more like, hey guys, I'm going to treat every walk as like a full-on brain dump where I'm just going to yap. I'm just going to talk about what's going on in my life. I'm going to talk about different things and it's going to be very freeform and maybe even treat it as almost like a virtual journal, right? Because I feel like I don't really do that a lot. Like on this channel, I feel like I do it a bit. Like I feel like this channel is definitely my most vulnerable channel. Let me say it like that when it comes to transparency, talking about what's working, what's not. But this channel usually has more of a financial lens to it, right? Where any single time I do talk about vulnerability and transparency, it revolves around finance. This channel would be literally just full on whatever I'm feeling. So I talk about maybe things that are going on in my personal life, like kind of use it as like a virtual video, visual brain dump kind of thing. I kind of like that idea. That one actually did kind of jump out at me. And then lastly, morning motivation. So I do affirmations every morning. I think I mentioned that on this channel. I do them every morning. Part of me thought, what if every day I wake up and have it be a kind of community where I wake up and say, hey guys, we're gonna do our affirmations together. So almost like a virtual thing where I'm like, so I post a video, even if it's only a few minutes long every morning, I say, hey guys, all right, let's do our affirmations. And I just talk about what I want to accomplish that day and have it create this kind of positive community. Now, in some ways, I actually think that's a really good idea. If anything out of these, I think the ones that sound like the most interesting to me would probably be the counting one, because that'd be kind of funny. See if that actually would make you money on YouTube. Or the Monday motivation, because I feel like that'd be kind of nice. I do like the idea of just it being super raw, in the sense that like I just hit record and I just talk. I do my affirmations, motivational stuff. I talk about what I want to accomplish that day. Maybe talk about my goals. But then I think, not the counting one, and you can let me know anything in the comments too, when it comes to Monday motivation, I do think, you know what? I wonder if that would work well on this channel though, because I feel like this channel, because I'm talking about making money, I've had a lot of people comment, whether it's to me or to other people or in general, or maybe to themselves as well, be like, hey guys, I just started my YouTube channel. We can all do this. We can all become monetized on YouTube. So I think what's kind of cool about this channel is I've seen it become this kind of community of more and more people subscribing, talking about making money, ways they're making money, and like, you know, all of us trying to reach our financial goals. Part of me wonders, would that do better on this channel? Maybe I upload twice a day on this channel, once in the morning, you know, and then once later on in terms of like how to make money on YouTube or AI music or whatever. But I do feel like this one might be better, the Monday motivation, actually the morning motivation. I wonder if that would be better on a separate channel, where it is kind of in some sense a B-roll kind of thing, where I literally just hit record and talk. But I do wonder if that way every day people can get used to be like, all right, let me wake up, let me watch Mark's video about getting motivated for the day, what they want to accomplish. I do also feel like, I hate to use this word or phrase, but I feel like self-help, I hate to say it like that, does pretty well on YouTube too. So I wonder if like, say like it became a channel where literally it's just like very raw, very open, me talking about what I want to accomplish, maybe talking about the ups and downs. So again, kind of similar to like a journal dump too, but it doesn't have to involve walking. And those so far are the ideas I have. Let me know what you think in the comments, because again, I'm between two different paths right now. The first path is, once I take all those songs, like I mentioned, and all those videos, I delete them, re-upload them on my main one on Ferchero, my main channel with my music. Do I just delete the channel? Do I say, you know what, let me just stick with 3, don't try to spread yourself too thin, don't have a 4th. The second path, though, says, okay, if I do want to keep it, and I don't want to delete it, what to do content about, right? Because I think for me, it would have to be something that would be low effort and fun. And I'll be honest, I think if this channel wasn't monetized, And like say, for whatever reason, boom, YouTube said, hey, you haven't uploaded in 3 months, which is true on that channel. Like I've uploaded here and there just to show some activity. But to be honest, in the past year on that channel, I really haven't been consistent. It's been every month I'll upload a couple videos just to try to like, how to word it, just to try to make it something where people are, you know, from YouTube's eyes, like, hey, he's still doing something, right? So if I ever, like, say, got kicked out of the YouTube Partner Program, I wouldn't even consider this channel. But I'm like, hey, it's an already monetized channel. Anything I upload is going to be making money. Why not maybe try something? Even like the accounting idea, the worst that happens is I try the accounting idea, for example, and then, like, say, nothing happens with it. I'm like, hey, you know what? It was for fun. I'm probably going to make some money no matter what. Even if it's only 10 or 15 cents, I'm going to make some money no matter what. But let me know in the comments. Tell me, one, should I keep this channel or not? Is it one of those situations where I should have it be, you know, one of those things where I fully delete it or I keep it? But then two, if I do happen to keep it, because hey, it's a monetized channel no matter what should I do the videos about? What do you think is the best topic out of this list I showed you that I should do?